Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can send XRP from Coinbase to Trezor wallet. So the very first thing that you have to do is open your Trezor. From here, just search your crypto right here. So since we're sending XRP, go ahead and click on XRP. So which is in here, tap on that one. And in here, we're gonna be redirected here. So from here, you just have to click on this receive button, and then you will see this address right here. So you can tap on this generate unverified address. And then once you tap on that one, just tap on this show unverified address. So in here, you can copy this one, or you can also scan this QR code from your Coinbase. So we're just going to copy on this one. Now, after copying the wallet address, go ahead and open your Coinbase wallet. And from here, just tap on this transfer button and then tap on this send crypto. Once you tap on that, you just have to paste here the wallet address. So go ahead and paste that one and click on this one. And then you will see the XRP crypto. Then from here, you can just skip on this one. So we're gonna skip on that, and you just have to put here the amount that you're going to send. And after that, just go ahead and tap on preview, and then you will see all the details. So here you're asked to where are you sending it. So tap on exchange and then click on Trezor wallet. So that's it. That's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.